Hello! In today's video, we'll explore how to fill a series and sheets efficiently. Let's begin by making our first selection. We'll start by selecting the cells where we want to apply our formula. Once selected, we can write our formula. For instance, you can use something like EEL's column number and add a plus sign to increment each step. Here, we've chosen to increment by 2, and you can use the autofill feature to continue this pattern. Now we can multiply the value by 2 to see how it changes. This method can be consistently used to fill the series across your sheet. Thank you for joining in and learning with us today.